Bridgewater out of the short gun to Peterson, and Adrian Peterson with a burst. They signal touchdown. So Adrian will look like he was stopped from the first touchdown of the game.
Take a look. The front, very front edge. Does he cross the plane? No question. That's a touchdown. Remember, he does not have to cross the goal line. You just take that very front edge. Clay Matthews thought he had him, and then all of a sudden, I think it was T.J. Clemmings that came around and got him. If this is a run-blocking game, the advantage goes to the Minnesota Vikings. If it's a pass-blocking game, advantage goes to the Green Bay Packers.
Peterson.